Institute for Protection of Archaeological Heritage in Slovenia, and Luka Gruškovnjak, also from University in Ljubljana, in the team of Charles French. And the first day, together with Luka, we started with augering. We did quite some of them, and we were making them on different locations in order to get the idea of the extension of the site and also of the archaeological layers on the features that were visible already at the aerial photos and also just on the aerial photos, as I know, and also on the geophysics, yes, of course. We transcripted all the, all our overings, and you see there are different, we arrived at different depths, it depends.
How can we make it full screen? Sorry.
Yeah.
Because if we remove this, and then we go like this. It's much better.
Okay. It was possible for us to see also that you can make also a sample for further micromorphological samples, or even if you are making just this sort of augering. And after this, we also were cleaning all these mechanical augerings that were made by Matjaž Novšak's teams from the Archae company. So we hope this will, of course, help Charles' team to analyze better in the combination with the photos that I will not show them right now because I don't have them here at the moment.